If you're wondering where the manual key is on your BMW iX3, it's under this cover plate here. If you're wondering how to get into it, you just need to pull the handle out like so, and you need to get your finger and you need to put it underneath this bit here and then push out on this little cover. When you push out, you will see it will come out here. Use your other hand to stop it from falling out, and then you can gently take that out like so. Remove your finger while still holding the handle out, and now if you have a look in here, this is where the manual key is. To get to your manual key, you go to your key fob and you just press the button in, and here we have it. You insert it like so, and then it will allow you to lock and unlock the doors like so. Never use the handle with this in. You have to take this out before using the handle. Now to pop this back in, you're going to pop it in like so, with this little bit going in first, shaped like that, in like that, and just click in. Nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.